I am making this video to show the progress of this block that has been bulldozed and cleared next to us in Calais Road in Scarborough. It's been quite an interesting journey watching the excavator knocking the old house down and then clearing the vegetation and the block itself. Unfortunately, we used to enjoy looking back at the big tree in the backyard, but that's now gone. So since May, the actual block has been worked on. Initially, it took a few weeks to actually clear the block of all the vegetation and cut sort of stuff away from the block itself. Then came the levelling of the block, which was an interesting exercise too. This started in August, where the excavator sifted through all the limestone-based debris and sand and what have you on the block, sifting out all the big rocks and getting those carted away, leaving a substrate with smaller rocks, but still fairly limestone-based. They used their machinery to stockpile a huge big pile towards the back of the block, and then they actually use this stockpile to build up levels for the 3 townhouses that they're going to produce. The block itself is quite steep, so all the townhouses will be built on different sort of levels on the block. The driveway is going up on the left side of the block, so that's been levelled out so the little bucket excavator can move up and down the side of the block. Once they stockpiled this pile of material, a compactor came along and compacted the foundations, underlying foundations, using this material, shaping the outline of the townhouses. It was quite an interesting exercise watching all this happening, and very skilled with the people that actually were carrying out the work. They had to knock down the fence on the right side of the block so they could access people, and also I gather the fence wasn't as strong as the one we have on our side of the block. This is the final outline of the compacted area. The next step was for all the plumbing people to come along and put all their plumbing foundations in. This happened a few days ago, so into September now. And finally today, after all the plumbing and the site preparation for the concrete pour has been done, the actual concreters came in and have now started laying concrete to support the build. So the next step is the actual build of the townhouses themselves. So if you're following this development, I'll be doing future videos of the actual build of the actual 3 townhouses themselves. So I hope people are enjoying this video that I'm putting together, and if you are enjoying it, put a like at the end of the thing so it helps my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Next episode will be coming soon.